let it be one language, that is English. Um, the recording purpose is, see, there is a share market where you can use the option trading or stock purchase for to increase your revenue. So my intention of doing this is like earning some amount like 500 or 1000 rupees per day. To do that, we should have basic knowledge. I'm not saying that you need to be expert. I'm not saying that you should have good qualification to do the share market, nothing like that. We should have the basic knowledge. To gain that basic knowledge, I'm doing this recording. Let's ask the questions. So the first question is, what are the types of option buying in trading in share market, correct? So let's ask ChatGPT what it says. So if you know, there are call option, put option. So when is market is up, call option. When market is down, put option. Usually when market is up, when it is positive, we'll say bull because bullish because bull eats by lifting the food up. So food goes up, it eats, right? So market goes up. That's how they say. You might have seen the symbols, bullish and bearish, two types of symbols. So beer, how it eats is it eats the food, honey, grabbing it the hand and putting down, and it will have, right? So that's why they compare the when market is up with bull, when market is down, they'll compare with bear. So when market is up, we should have the call option. So you need to use the call to buy. When market is down, we use the put option to buy. So my next question to ChatGPT is, what are the timings to trade? Right? Our motto to do is buying option. So what are the timings in share market? If you ask this question, so we do also have NSE, National Stock Exchange, BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, correct? So we had Chennai Stock Exchange, Kerala Stock Exchange. So everything they combine and put it as a one nation. So National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock. So there are two. Both are same. You'll find the all the stocks in the both the places. The only difference is liquidity is more in National Stock Exchange. So the people buyers, the people sellers are more foreign investors, domestic investors, like that. Many people you'll see it here compared to Bombay Stock Exchange. That is the only difference. Both are same. Now coming to trading hours, 9:15 sharp it starts, okay, and ends at 3:30, and it happens Monday to Friday, and it follows all the public holidays. So if you wanted to do any pre-market analysis, all those, you should be ready by 9 to 9:15. And it this AMO, that is after market, happens 3:45 to till next day. So whatever the transactions we do, we take it as a after 3:45 and completes before 9. So whatever we do these options, right? There are two types of options: index options, where you'll do the Nifty, Bank Nifty, like that. Also, you can do the stock options. Now, coming to, we do also have US stock market, which is available, but yeah, we don't trade here now. Let's go one by one. In future, we'll see it. So if you wanted to do trade in uh, UK, also they have given it. So this and all other stock exchange, we don't want it. So we'll focus only India Stock Exchange, that is called NSE and BSE. Okay, next question is, what are the types of buying options trading in India? So if you could see, you can do trading on equity options. You could do equity options means something like TCS, Reliance, HDFC Bank, correct? So these are the stock options. Directly you buying a stock, keeping it for 1 month. So whenever it goes up or goes down, as I said, if it is goes up, you will do the call option. If it is goes down, you'll do the put option to play with the market. So you can buy these stocks and do it. Index option means Nifty 50. It means like 50 top companies are registered with NSE. Those 50 will have one value. That value, if it goes up, call option. If it is goes down, put option, you use it to trade in share market. Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty means there are 12 banks like HDFC, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, SBI. So there are 12 banks registered with NSE. You can do trade with those. I mean, all these 12 banks consolidated will have one number. You can trade with that amount, whether if it goes up, one trade has call option. If it is goes down, you'll trade with put option. You can do that. Financial institutions, Nifty. Here also we have multiple financial institutions, right? Those are registered here. You can do buy and put using the number what they have consolidated number. So this all call it in short equity trading. Okay. Also we have commodity trading. It means regarding gold, silver, crude oil, copper, zinc, all this you can trade. Also you can do the trade on currency like USD may go down, up, correct, INR. So those currency trading also you can do. You can also do the NR, NR, IN, IR trading. So bond yields, those tradings you can do. So trading happens weekly and monthly. I always go by monthly because weekly it's too risky. We don't know, right? So as I said, all the buying call it as a bullish, all the buying put call it as a bearish. So they just put down summary. So equity means all the stocks and indices. Commodity means all this. So they just put on summary. You can have a look. So let me ask what are the timings? This trading in India. So equity it starts at 9:15, correct? It ends at 3:30 p.m. But if you ask me, 9 to 10:30, that is a peak time. 9 to 10:30. Remember this. Every day, whatever work you have, keep it aside. Do trading between 9 to 10:30. It means 1.5 hours. If you become expert gradually, maybe you know how when to sit and when to close. But initially, this always 9 to 10:30. Keep it in your mind. You want to trade if you're using the stock options or equity options to do the trading. Always go for monthly. Never ever buy the weekly. And coming to this, all the banks or all the banks expiry is Wednesday. So Nifty if you buy, the expiry is Thursday. It means it doesn't follow the calendar like I have February. I'll end on 28th. It happens. The expiry happens on last Thursday of every month. It means February expiry. If anyone asks, you should find out calendar and see what is the last Thursday. It's 27. So February expiry is 27. It doesn't follow the calendar as the 28th. Last Thursday. That is for indexes Nifty and Fin Nifty. It same applies to our stock options. So last Thursday of the month, it means 28th of February this month, 2025. Coming to MCX, this gold, silver, all those 9 to 11:30, 11:30 night. So it starts at 9:15, correct? And till night you can do this MCX to earn or 500 rupees whenever you're free. You can just sit and do the trading. This currency and this, I'm not that interested, so I have not done any homework on that. As of now, we'll go through only equities and commodities. Okay, let's talk about what we learned so far. So we learned we are going to do the equities, correct? Or we are going to do the commodities, that is MCX. Either one we are going to do, and timings is 9 o'clock. Actually, it says 9:15, but I recommend you to start from 9. Correct? You need to set up and see what is the market volatility and all, right? For equities 9 to 3:30, right? For MCX 9 to 11:30 till night you can play 30 11:30 p.m. Now coming to, if see, there are lot of uh, trade can happen. People say buy trade, correct? Sell trade in the options. So we are doing the buy trade because for buy trade, if you have 10,000, you can start. But if you wanted to start sell trade, you should have the 5 lakhs, which is very big amount for us. So we'll not do this. Maybe in future, if you guys are lucky, good on earnings, then you can start the selling. But as of now, our focus is buy options. So as I said in the buy options, what we had, if it goes up, we'll do call. That is bearish, right? If it is bearish, we'll do the call. If it is bullish, if market is going down, we'll do the put. So I'm removing this sell. Our focus is only either call or put. If market is going up, I mean like equities or MCX, you're seeing it today due to budget announcement or some reason, correct? Market is going up, you will go for the call option. If market is going down, you will do the put option. So you'll have a question, how to say, I know that market is going up or down, but how to buy, correct? So to buy, you should have lot of knowledge on the two things. FA, it means fundamental analysis. If you're buying TCS, if you're buying Reliance, if you're buying any T-Mart, any stocks, right? There are a lot of stocks, 22,000 plus stocks are there. In these stocks, you need to pick one stock and do the trading. How you will do it? You need to do financial analysis, fundamental analysis to find out whether the stock will go up or not. Can you do that? My answer is no. Not new, not just you, even me. Neither anyone can do because market is so unpredictable. It is very difficult to defend. But yeah, there are some market experts who provides some recommendations. Okay, we can take those recommendations and move further. So to do the financial or fundamental analysis, my trustworthy is Money Control. So just download the Money Control app in your mobile, or if you are using laptop, you just go to website, log in with your credentials. You can see a name menu called Pro. This is home, right? So just go to Pro and you will see a lot of options for Pro. So when you log in first time, right, you will get this Pro access. So here some experts will give recommendations. So in the Pro, choose the option called technical picks. If you're using mobile also, please go ahead and choose the option called technical picks. Every day they'll do 4 recommendations to us. Okay, if you could see on Feb 1st, today is 2nd Feb around 5 o'clock now. So my interest, I woke up little early and doing it so that I'll not have any disturbance at home. If you could see Feb 1st, they have given during the market time only they'll give, okay? I mean like 9 to 3:30. Between this only they'll give. We need to patiently see when they're giving the recommendations. You can use this recommendation on next working day as well. Okay. Now coming to, let's look into the recommendations. They're saying Power Grid. This is one of stock. These are stocks, right? Equities. This is one of stock. Okay. We have sell and buy. As I said, sell we can't do. We are not so rich yet. Maybe in future, by God grace, we might ignore this. Now coming to buy. If you could see buy, correct? As I said, if this Power Grid stock goes up, you take the 320 by spending amount of 2,980 rupees. You take this 320, do a call option. Here you see, you might ask me, call option means a CEO, right? Why it is CE? Actually here, European standards we are starting using in India. Initially, when long ago, it used to be CAPA. Okay, it means call option America, put option America. Gradually, we moved out from those standards and we using the European standards now. That's why it became CE. It means call option European. So we can just say that call buying. We are doing what? Buying, right? So if your market is up, it means your stock, your power grid, if it is up, please buy 320, call buying by spending your pocket money of 2,880 rupees. Okay. If market is going down, take the put buying for the stock amount 260 rupees and from your pocket you need to pay 2,340 rupees. So this is called options. Okay. If you look at, as I said, you're doing for a month, correct? Feb 27th is the expiry. It means, as I said, in your Feb month, last Thursday of every month, that is 27th February is your expiry. If you buy the stock on Monday, it is 3rd February, you will have till year time. In this period time, you can sell anytime. I'm sure with my experience, I strongly say definitely 500 rupees, either it will go up or it will go down since the recommendations are given by money control. You can trust the money control. Sometimes if you have more lucky, you might get 1,000 rupees also. Okay. So that's how you should choose the stock. Which stock? There are 22,000 plus stocks in the Indian market, right? We can't take all the stocks and just do the trading. No, we are not that rich to do that. So start with a limited amount, correct? And do trading. So my personal advice and my experiences is that use the money control app for FA. Hope you guys are understood now. What is FA? FA means fundamental analysis, where you need a recommendation or knowledge about buying a stock, which stocks to buy. In our case, we are using money control for recommendation to complete or take which stock from the rising market. Here, Power Grid is what they have suggested and they have given amount also. If you think that I don't want to do options because it has expiry of 27th February, right? After that, if we don't do any trading or if the market is not supportive, whatever is spent to this 2,880 rupees will be zero. That's why market is very risky. That's why people never come to this. They'll go for fixed deposit, they'll go for recurring deposit. No one comes to market. People are very scary, right? So if you have knowledge, then only you should do. So that knowledge only I'm trying to bring by introducing all these terminologies. Don't worry. If you think that this is very risky for you, you can also do the stocks purchase. For example, Jyoti Lab. So buy Jyoti Lab for 100 rupees. Okay. And it will reach to 425 rupees. So when it will reach, no one knows. Even the person who recommended in the money control, that expert, he put himself as BK training. I don't know what is. Here I could see the analyst name, but someone put as a BK training. This guy also doesn't know when it reaches 425. It might reach on Monday, but it might reach after 2 months. It might reach after 6 months. It might reach after 10 years. But whatever you buy Jyoti Lab, right, there is no expiry. You just buy it today, keep it for years. This 400 maybe become 4,000, 4 lakhs. We never know. Okay, 40,000, 4,000, whatever it might become 40 rupees also. We don't know. So they are saying that buy 400 rupees stock. When it reaches 425 or 435, sell it. So you'll get straightforward 25 rupees. For example, if you buy 20 stocks, let me open the calculator for you. 400 rupees into 20 stocks. So you should have 8,000 in your trading account, right? 8,000. So when you sell 425 into 20 stocks, 500 rupees. So you'll get 500 like this also. So if you spend here, no risk, right? You buy today, you just wait months or weeks or days to reach 425. Once it reaches 425, you just sell it. But here in the options, correct, this is stocks. Jyoti Lab, Doris Labs, or ITC. These are stocks, Kalyan Jewelers. So these are stocks. You buy it today and keep it for years until you get old, until your son or daughter gets married. You just buy today, keep it for years. This one is options. It has a expiry date. By 27th February, you should either sell it with profit or without profit. It's all depends on the market. Okay, that's why this is very risky. Now we are talking about option buying. So we have risk here. If you think that you can drop this, you can use this also. It works. So, but both need FA. FA means fundamental analysis. You don't just come and buy whatever stocks people are selling. No, stop doing that. I have done it. I lost so much from my stupid things in the past. So don't do that mistake. Learn from my mistakes. Don't do those mistakes. Okay. In our example, let's take power grid only. Some money control is recommending to do the option trading. Power power grid, correct? Power grid is our stock now, and money control app is recommended. Now, can I start my thing? No, you should not. You should do technical analysis also. Technical analysis means entry. I mean, like when you need to enter, correct? And when you need to exit. So this technical analysis we should do. For example, you should to do this technical analysis, either go to this trading view website or open your own demat account. In my case, my demat account name is Zerodha. So I recommend um, Zerodha only, but there are a lot of very good tradings. So you can go for 5 years because 5 years has a very good feature where you can see 1, 2, 3 types of slides. So for example, stock, you can put it in one slide. Second, you can put it call option. Third, you can put it put option. So all three, you can see it in one page. So you can immediately take action between 9 to 10:30 time. Either you wanted to buy the stock, or you wanted to buy the call option, or you wanted to buy the put option. That feature available in FIRES, which is very beautiful. So I already shared the link. So use that link to download the FIRES. This is, you call it FIRES, you call it Zerodha, you call it Upstocks, you call it GrowUp, Angel One. There are a lot of broker apps. You can log in any of these with your convenient. So there is no restrictions on buying app. Now coming to any app, that is Zerodha or whatever app you feel convenient to log into that. So for security reason, it is asking me to give the code. So give me a second. Yeah. Okay. Now, so Zerodha, the view, right? It is completely different if you wanted to see grow app, um, Upstocks, FIRES. So everyone will have their dashboards. View is different. So when you get your one, please don't get confused what we're talking now. Just get familiar what I'm doing now. So every app will have the watch list. Come to watch list. Just type the name what we have got for the recommendation from our money control. In our case here, Power Grid is top. They have recommending it. So come here, type it, Power Grid, and what they're saying, CE 320, right? So come here, type C Feb first. Okay, or let me type directly 320. So my family, friends, see, when you type 320, you'll have multiple expiries. Like I have February, which is current month. I can take that. I also have the March, so I can take March and wait till March whether it will grow. April. So you no need to worry about just buy today and will it come high or low within 30 days. You don't need to worry. You can extend your expiry date to March and April also and wait. So your risk is extended. You can wait till April to see whether it is going up or down. The problem here is if you take April, the premium amount, whatever you're paying now, it will be higher. It will not be 2,800, whatever they described here. It will be higher amount if you take April. That's why just go with money control recommendation. In my case, I'm taking the Power Grid Feb 320 CE. So as I said, we'll have the CEPE. So each amount 320 if you put right, we'll have the months, we'll have the amount, we'll have CEPE. So for 3 months display, we have 6 displays here. So Feb to March to April to. So how they designed is first stock name will come and month name will come and amount will come. The two types of our buying options, that is CEP, will come. Now come here, we wanted to do buying or selling. As I said, selling is so costly for us. Let's not think about also what is selling now. Ignore it. Focus more on the buying. Okay. To do that, first add it. I added, right? So I have my Power Grid in my watch list. This is only C. Now coming to P, how much they're saying 260. Same way how I added. Similarly, I'll come here and what is the amount? 260. I'll type 260. So I'll choose, as I said, first will come your stock name, then it will come your month. 260 is displayed 2 times, right? Then should I take this? See, no, this is P, right? So be careful while typing the name of the stock, while typing the month, while typing the amount, while typing the either P or C. Once you're done, just have a look. how it looks like, right? So this is how it looks like to me. Let's have my stock also. So I have all of them. Let me remove all this. These are for my purpose and kept it for my analysis. You can move like this. So how money control is saying first PE then CE, right? I'll also do the same. So I have my stock, correct? In the stock, I'm doing put option, I'm doing call option. If the stock goes up, correct? I'll take the call option. If the stock goes down, I'll take the put option. That is what my strategy. So this is what T. Now, how I'll choose whether it is a PE or CE. I'll just show you technical analysis, which is very, very important. Based on this technical analysis only, we can find out what we're supposed to do. Let me do that. So to do that, we need to go to chart. As I said, you can do chart using this trading view. You can do the chart using your what is it? Brokers. Okay, you can do all this. Now look at this chart. Isn't it so um, no clumsy? Correct? You might scared by seeing this. You might thinking that what is this? Correct? Let me put it very simple for you. Okay, this is my power grid. Okay, so in the power grid, I want 260. What is the amount I said? Sorry, I always forget the values. 320, 260. Okay, 320. So you have six options. You need to choose this, correct? So select this from here, power grid 320. Select this C, correct? So this is your call option. This is your stock. This is your put option. I need to type. So power grid 260 PE I will take. Let me confirm. Correct. So 320, 260. And now this is what we need to analyze. So how to put this? I'll take another session. I have recently taken one session, so I'll put that in different video and share it with you. How I brought these colors, how I brought these candles, how I brought this green line, how I brought this black line, what is this RSI, what is this ADX, everything I'll record another session, share it with you. At present, just have a look what we are doing it here, which option to be selected to buy or sell. Okay. Now coming to here, this is 5 minutes candle. Can you see this? Power Grid 5 NSE, right? This one, if you see, it is 1 minute candle. If you can see, this is PE also 1 minute candle. On my Feb fast, correct? If you could see, Feb fast time is 9:15. It started exactly correct, as I said. So my dear family, if you could see this arrow, it says going up, going up. Till 9:30, please don't do any trading. It means, let me make it this little bigger for you. So this is only one chart. There were three charts, right? I brought only one chart for you, view purpose. Okay, let's make it little bigger so that you can understand what I'm talking about. My dear family, market starts at 9:15. Don't do trading here. First candle, don't do that. So to do this one candle, 15 minutes is 5 minutes is what required, right? Because we kept here 5 minutes. So 9:15 don't do, 9:20 don't do, 9:25 don't do, 9:30 you start thinking now. Your analysis should start from 9:30. Okay. What is your 9:35 candle will come should be decided here. For example, in this case, what happened? The purchase amount is 300 rupees, correct? the stock, whatever you wanted to buy, 300 rupees. Now, can you enter here how to decide? That is what technical analysis. That's where we are here. You need to do this technical analysis by your own. Nobody will help you. It's your purely your call. Once you buy, that amount will be paid to NSE. Whatever you do, it will not come to you until unless you do a trading and get into profit or loss, right? So to do that, it's completely your choice. I'm repeating again. Fundamental analysis, money control will give. Technical analysis, when to enter, when to exit, it's completely you. To do this entry and exit, no knowledge is required, just common sense. No education qualification is required, just your common sense. Your age, you could be 10 years old, you could be 12 years old, you could be 50 years old, doesn't matter to the market. You should be very controlled emotion. You should not, go so excited. Time is going, candle is going up, candle is going down because I used to do that, right? Stop all those. Be patiently. If you don't buy Power Grid, no problem. You can buy another stock where money control will advise you. Don't lose your money. If you pay once, it's gone, done and dusted. Patiently wait. My recommendation is do the paper trading. Assume that you have done the purchase or use this beautiful trading view app where they'll show paper trading and give you 1 lakh rupees to you, where physically it will not be credited to your account. Paper trading, this 1 lakh will be in this trading view. You can think that you purchased entry you have made and you can exit whenever you wanted. So just see whether you made a profit or not. Like that, play until this 1 lakh gets over. Then you take the real money and play it. Okay, because this completely entry and exit on your hand. Nobody can help, neither me nor God. No one help. It's completely your hand. Assume that you entered somewhere here where the stock was 300 rupees and you exited here where stock was 305 rupees. It means from 300 to 305 you got on spot 5 rupees. If you could not able to exit here, you exited here. It means around 10 o'clock you exited here. What happened? You bought for 300 rupees but you sold for 299 rupees, so you lost 1 rupee. The beauty of this thing is we no need to sell in 1 hour, correct? That is the type of option trading also there, but don't we are not doing that. You have time till 27th February. So what I wanted to recommend you is that if you just wait, whenever it goes, if you want to be bullish, if you buy the call option, if could not see 300 rupees is what they quoted in the start of the day, right? It went to 289. Straight forward, you lost from 300 rupees to 289. It means like 11 rupees you lost on the same day when you started trading. If you bought 300 into 10 quantity, so 11 into 10 quantity, 110 rupees you lost on the first day itself. But if you have now, if you are very smart and exited at what is the time? To 10:55. If you exited at 10:55, you got 5 rupees profit, correct? So it's purely depends on when you are entering it, when you exiting. You got it. What I mean to say, right? So what is in your hand, my dear family? It is when you're going to enter, when you're going to exit completely your hand. The market is giving you 30 days time on an average, correct? 25. So no need to exit on first day. Just wait. It might increase tomorrow or it might not. I can't say because why I can't say. Let me tell you the fact here. To make this one candle, to make this one candle, we need 5,000 crores. What we are looking here, 500 rupees. It's like ant head, smaller than that, correct? We are looking for only 500 rupees to 1,000 rupees. To make one candle, we need 5,000 crores, which is not in our hand. The person who suggested us in the money control, it's not in his hand also. So making this candle is what decides whether we'll get profit or loss. Now, by technical analysis, at least you will understand how the candle is talking. That is what technical analysis coming into picture. For example, this candle where it went up, right? If you see in your RSI also, it went up. Did you guys observe? It went up, it went up, it went up till here. When your candle started become red, it went down, it went down, it went down, it went down. It means when it start like this, do the call option. When it goes down, do the put option. It means market is going down, your price is market is that power grid price is coming down. Correct? So what is this RSI means? Resistance support indicator. So this indicator, that is technical analysis. I started the first technical analysis for you. That is resistance support indicator. There is a green line. Okay. This is what bottom line. It means this, if it reaches, it is bearish. The second line, when it starts and coming down, 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 right? You should take the put option. Okay. It means market is going down. It is like your heartbeat scanner, right? So it is going down. If it crosses this line and comes towards up like this marks, right? Then you should take the call option. So that's how you should use this RSI indicator to define whether you want to take the call option and put option. So tomorrow, I mean on Monday, when it starts, right, it might go like this between this first line and second line only, right? We never know. Or it might go straight up. So can I say no? I don't know. Nobody knows because it decides by big legends who has 5,000 crores. We can't decide this. So I can't predict and tell you. You need to just observe the candles, observe this indicator, and take your entry. Okay. Now coming to ADX, average directional indicator. Okay. What it does is, if this option says, this indicator says going down like this, never ever entry. When it is going upward movement, take entry. Simple. Getting it? Let me show you. For example, it shows down, right? Never enter here. Let it go down, let it go down, let it go down. When it shows up arrow, then take the entry. Okay, now again, it is going down, right? Never take entry. It could be call option, it could be put option, whatever. Never take entry. If it rises, see, it rises. If you would have taken put option here, it rising, rising, rising so big, it means if you would have taken, if you would have purchased put option, you would have gained lot of money from here to here. I'll show you that in the put option. Okay. Now from here to here, don't take entry. I'll just repeat how many entries from here to here, no entry. I'm saying no entry means no call option, no put option, never enter. Okay. From here, you can take call option or put option based on the calendars. Okay. Now the mountain is going down now. Here, don't take any entries. It could be call option, put option, anything. When it is going down, don't take. When it rising up, take. So from here, it rising, right? It means 1140. I can say that I means 1140. Okay. You take the entry here till here you can come. That is 1140 to 130. You have got very good. Whether which one we supposed to take, since it is red line, you should take put option, right? Red candles. So if you would have taken from here to here, not 500 rupees or not 1,000 rupees, you might got 10,000 rupees on single day. Such a big move here, correct? Now it is going down. Don't take. I'm saying don't take, don't enter neither nor put option. So don't take call option, don't take put option. The beautiful average directional index says if it is goes down, my family listen to this. If indicator goes down, please don't take. If the indicator shows up, then only take. For example, here it started a little up and it is straight, right? On Monday, you should see whether it is going up or not. If it is going upward, you take the call option. If it is goes up, you take the put option. Yes, I'm saying it. If it is goes up, regardless of green or red, you should take the entry. Okay. Now, which entry? I'll discuss that in the other chart. Okay. That is now this is the stock which we have seen, right? Now let me look into the CE. CE means call option. You see here you paid 2,880 rupees some amount. Assume that you have taken entry here. What happens? You're thinking that it is rising, 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 rising. So you have taken here. What happened when you taken? So it completely started falling, 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 falling. It happened to me. So when it was rising, you have taken, but it was falling. That's why you should be very careful, attentive, looking at the map. When it start rising only, first two candles, leave it. Second candle, first candle, leave it. Second candle, you need to start thinking whether to take or not. By third candle, you should be in position, should take. Okay, that's how it happens. By first candle, leave it. Second candle only, you should take the decision. If it comes as like red and green, don't take. Red and green, don't take. Red and green, don't take. If it is same color, then take. Red, red, take. Green, green, take. Okay. In this case, what happened? It started rising. It started going down. You see, it rose and it started going down, 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 down. So from this 1:30 to 2 o'clock, please don't enter because the indicator shows complete down. When you should take here. That is 2, 2. It is rising, started rising because as I said, you have green candle. Next to that, do you see red candle or green candle? You see green candle, right? If you have same candles, then take the entry. So first candle, leave it. It is coming all the way down and first candle is green. Second candle also, if it is green, take the entry because it is rising here. So it will rise, 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 rise. By this time, you should get exit because there is a flip you might see in here, right? You should exit till here. For example, you entered market at 110. Okay, let me make a purchase for you. 1,800. You entered market at 110. Let me open the calendar. You entered market 110. And what is the quantity? 1,800 options, correct? So you pay 1,980. So the person money control said 2,000 minimum. If you get a good option to buy, you can buy, but you paid less than that. Whatever he suggested you was 2,880, which is lesser. You got a good deal, like 1,980 only, very good deal. So always go below this amount, never go above this amount. Don't buy 3,000 rupees wala stock. Buy only lesser than this. So now assume that I made an entry. Because I'm looking at this candle, correct green, it flatten, flatten, same candle again, one more happen, one more candle. So I should take entry here, definitely, right? Because same candle, if it repeats as my technical analysis, you should take immediately entry. So in my case, I have taken the entry at 110, correct? Or I have taken at 114. Let's call it as a where I'm seeing right here at the price display. When I keep my cursor here, you see time in the bottom, and it is like x-axis, y-axis. These are the timings you should see when I'm talking about. These are the price you should see. So I'm keeping the cursor on the second candle, looking at the price. So it says 1.14. correct? 1.14 into 1800 quantity. So 2000 I paid and took the entry here. Okay. Now it went 1.35, correct? At 215. So you took the entry at 2, 3 and 215 in 10 minutes. It went to in 10 minutes it went to 135. So now 2050 to remember this minus 2035. Sorry, I forgot. I'll put 395 rupees you got. Bingo, correct? This is how immediately you should exit here. If you can exit here and there also fine. Or if you think that no, my indicator is showing very good moment, let me continue. If you think that till here, if you continued beating with your courage and lot of guts, it will reach to 1.69. We never know, right? This indicator may go down also. You need to be very careful. So you have taken entry at 115 rupees and you exited at 169. Let it be as 165 on an average, right? So 1 115 115 is entry, that is 1800. Okay, 2070 rupees you paid. Okay, 165 you exited, that is do calculation here. What is that? I'm so sorry. Yeah, I'm very bad in remembering numbers. So let me put it in Excel. So one entry. What is your entry? 1.15. This is what price was showing. Correct? How much quantity? 1800. Exit 1.65. 1800 is same quantity. So you entered at 115, exited 165. Let me calculate how much you got. So you paid 2070 rupees and you got 2000. So 900 rupees you got. So if you would have taken call option on Feb 1st at 2 o'clock, if you would have taken entry and exited at 2:30, it means in 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, if you waited patiently and see the market move, you would have got 900 rupees. Okay, this is about call option. Taking entry here, exiting here is completely your knowledge. If you would have taken entry here, it means 168 you would have taken, thinking that it is still up, correct? It went down, 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 down. As I said, when your average direction under says down, never take right. You might take in here, but you should not take in the call option, correct? You would have taken here. So do this back testing in your trading account also, and you'll understand in detail how we have done the trading for this amount. This is call option. Now let's try PE, put option. Now you're thinking that market is going down, correct? This went down, right? So you should have played in the put option, not the call option, because your stock says very clearly that stock did not perform well. For example, let me show you a very detailed view. Okay, I'll come to that. Let's finish PE, then we'll come to that. Okay. Now in PE, what it says, Feb, Feb 1st, 9:30, as I said, wait for 9:15, wait for candles, nothing happened, nothing happened. It went completely down, correct? If you see this indicator also, it is going like very bad shape. So if we have anything like, very close to this type of this red and green together, never do the trading. Just leave it because it is going volatile is too much. It is playing like anything. Never ever do the trading. Okay. If you have the gap where you can see the candles, then you do the trading. For example, you see there is a big gap between red and green. What happened here? The price, when it is both meeting the green and red, correct? When both is meeting green and red, and your indicator shows up, and if a green is above than red, you can buy this option. So here your entry is 145, and put option. See, in one day market can go up, market can go down, so you can play both times. It's not that in one day I'll do only call option. You can do put option also. So here you need 2000. Let's see how much you need it here. So assume that you're doing a chairs, you are doing the analysis. You found here good. How much? 1 rupee 15.45. 1 rupee 45 you bought. It means how much you spent? You spent 2610 rupees, and it went to, you decided to quit here. That is 2 rupees 5 paise. So 2 rupees 5 paise you quit. So what is the amount you are getting? 3690. So you spent 2610 and you got 3690. So 1000 rupees you got. So if you would have taken call option, you would have got 900. If you would have taken put option, you would have get 1000 rupees. So 1800 rupees in one day you can earn. When you will come to this, if you think that stock is going up, you'll come here. When you come here, if you think that stock is going down immediately, you come here and take the position. So you need to swap, tuck, 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 and then you will get 1000. Okay. If you would have entered wrong time, if you exited wrong time, you would have lost. For example, you can we take here, see if it is green line is up, correct? Green line is up and your candles are above the above the green line, candles are above the green line, you can take entry. Wait for entry and take the entry. If you candles are below the this green line, never take entry. That's my second technical analysis. So follow these three analysis and definitely you will get good positive response from market. So I'll just repeat those three analysis, three technical analysis. One is RSI. So technical analysis, entry and exit completely. It's your hand, my dear family. No one can help you on this. You have to take this, whether it is a loss or profit. But I can give you this chart. I will make a separate video for this, how to make this chart, but I'm saying it. I'll give you this chart, how to look into it to take a decision. So if first one is EMA indicator. This is the indicator, first indicator. If this green line below, if you are getting candles, never ever take position. Getting it? If candles are above this green line, take the position. I'll just mention it here. If above green line, then take position. If it is below, please don't take it. That is one technical analysis. Next, second technical analysis is RSI. RSI. So RSI indicator. There are three lines. 1, 2, 3. Correct. So it tells up tells always bearish, down tells always bullish. If between this line and this line, if line is fighting means it is bearish. Above this line, if start rising means it is bullish. So that is the second indicator, RSI, very beautiful indicator. Now coming to our life-saving indicator, that is ADX, because you know that candles are coming down, you know that candles are coming up, but only this will say if it is up, you take the entry. If it is going down, you will not take the entry. Simple. So this indicator will tell entry supposed to be taken or not. Okay. Now, if you want to understand this more, you can just go to Google or YouTube. Just type EMA indicator to do option buying. To do option buying. Just type this. You'll get lot of videos like EMA indicator to do option buying, RSI indicator to do option buying, ADX indicator to do option buying. So these three are technical analysis. I'm personally using it after listening to a lot of experts. I have taken paid uh, classes from many people, and I learned this and sharing it with you. So hope you understood. If you ask me like, is this the only three indicators we have in the chat? No, there are plenty. There are lot of, you see here, there are lot of indicators and many indicators. I liked it. I have, marked it in this chain also. But what you should learn and keep in mind is these three indicators. How to use them, you can use the YouTube to learn it. So far, this is what I wanted to talk about. So I'll just summarize whatever we spoke. So we are doing the trading. In the trading, there are a lot of tradings, correct? But we are doing the trading only on the options. In the options also, there is option buying and option selling. We are not doing the option selling. We are doing only the option buying. In the option buying also, there are a lot of options like stocks, options like this. You can buy anything, correct? My case, I'm doing the index, that specific stock where we have the call option and put option, because this is risky because it has the time frame that is 30 days. Within 30 days, whether your purchase entry or whatever you made, if it is going up or down, regardless of that, you have to close it on or before expiry date. Okay, if you think that you entered today 2 o'clock, you can exit immediately or later. So it's up to you, but the given time frame of 10 Feb 31st or something. Okay. So to do that, how to do? We need lot of fundamental analysis. We need lot of technical analysis, right? So for fundamental analysis, I recommend Money Control. Just open that app, find out what are the 4 recommendations they give every detail. 4 recommendations. So just look into those 4 recommendations. So pick all 4 and see which one you can afford and do start trading. Okay, all 4 are good only. Okay, what will happen? Either it will go up. If it goes up, just do the call option, right? What will happen? Market may go down. Just do the put option. See, market is dying or gaining. It's not your concern, right? You don't need to know all those things. Just observe and find out whether you want to go for call option or put option. Simple. Correct? That's what you're supposed to do. But why it is so complicated, why people are losing money, including me, the reason is technical analysis, when to entry, when to exit. This technical analysis, if you don't know, you will lose your 10,000. Whatever you're going to put it in the trading, you lose it. So be careful. If you wanted to get that experience, because 10,000 is big amount for us, right? Maybe for not everyone. So for us, it is definitely a big amount. So let's not put it here and waste it. To get experience, as I said, do the trading, paper trading. This is for paper trading. They'll give 1 lakh rupees. Do trading 1 month with that 1 lakh. Let's see how much you make it. That 1 lakh should become definitely higher. Okay. If you make it zero, stop trading. You are not fit. I mean, look something else. Maybe trading is not your cup of coffee. So do something else. Now coming to when to entry, when to exit. Definitely you can't do toss and enter. and toss exit. No, you can't do that, right? So for that, what you can do, you can use some indicators available in the market. There are a lot of indicators. Personally, as of now, what I learned is EME indicator. So if the green line above your candles are going, purchase. If RSI, if it is bullish, purchase. If ADX, if it is upward, remember this, not downward. If it is upward, regardless of call option and put option, it is not saying market is up. No, up for buying. Okay, buying. You can buy call option or you can buy put option. If it is upwards, buy. So these are the indicators available. You can use these three indicators. I'll make video how to make that chart with these three. When these three meets your criteria, just immediately enter. Simple. That's how you should enter. Be very clever and enter. To do that, you need lot of practice. Do practice, do well, earn money. Don't lose money. Again, I'm saying market is very risky. Entering and exiting not in your hand. No one we can't blame. So be patient. So for this entry to exit, looking at these charts only we need to do. So now tell me guys, do you really think that we need education for this? Do you really think that you need a lot of studies? No, right? For these indicators, looking at indicators, 10 years person also can do, 8 years person also can do. So only what you need is you need patience. Patience is very important. You need to be very good decision maker. Looking at all these indicators, you need to be very good decision maker. That's all. You can make money. So all the best. Let's rock. Aim for smaller amount, 500 rupees per day or 1000 rupees per day. So for example, 500 rupees into 20 days market will up. So your 10,000 whatever you put, you will get it in 1 month. Happy trading.